Papa, you know what we're gonna do today? We are going to make you a toy box for your toys. Yeah, because they're all over the place. Yeah, you excited? So we're gonna give them a home. Hi everyone, so today I'm joined with our special guest, Mr. Abby, because it's kind of all about him. I've been looking for the perfect toy holder for his fur buddies, his fur friends, and I just couldn't find any. Our house typically looks like this, and it was just kind of getting out of control. And you want to down? Okay, sit down now. Working with his toys all over, and I have been searching for an appropriate one for him because he is a poodle. It's a miniature poodle, so he's a lower dog. So a lot of them were higher, and I'm worried about him not being able to access his toys. I actually found this one here on Amazon last week. It just didn't work out. It didn't fit the decor, and it just wasn't wide enough, long enough, I think. And it was all $20. So I got this idea the same day, like, okay, why don't I just make it? So I remember the dollar store having these little storage boxes over here. And I was like, wow, it's kind of similar material to all of the toy holders that are on the market. Like, I could do this real easy. All I need is some rope that I could get from the dollar store too, here, as well as my handy dandy glue gun, as any crafter always has on hand. So this entire DIY only cost me $3 to make. Okay, lovelies, let's get started. So I have my 2 boxes. I'm just gluing them with my glue gun. Now you could add as many boxes as you need. I thought 2 was enough for me, but like that I could always extend it. Just add in the supportive bases, some holes at the side to tie my rope, and basically that's about it. We're all done. Very easy. So I'm so happy with the final result for this. Okay everyone, so that was it. I hope that this DIY was fun and easy for you, and also helpful and solves a problem in your household as it did for me. Stay tuned for our next fun, easy DIY. Thanks for watching. Hi lovelies, thank you so much for joining me today. I never use these videos, so I don't even know why I'm doing this. You casting all sorts of white ashiness onto mommy.